Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions about real name authentication. There are also some questions about KEYDIY coins, wallet balance, and function activation. First off, let's talk about real name authentication. Real name authentication is designed for better account management. We identify you or retrieve your associated binding information via your mobile phone number. Therefore, after you log into an account, the first thing you have to do is complete real name authentication. Now, let's explain how to complete real name authentication. Here is a mobile phone, and these requirements. These three pieces of information are mandatory. For example, I can actually fill in whatever I want here. For example, I type in the character Zeng, and here, I'll just enter something at random. And here, first of all, you need to select your region. For example, I'm from China. I'll select a phone number in the China region. Fill in your mobile phone number. Now there is a mobile phone number, we need to bind the mobile phone number. There is a problem with binding the mobile phone number. If you are unable to receive your verification code, then you can directly enter 200909. This is a universal verification code, and the item below is optional. This optional field is not required to be filled in, then click here directly. It will prompt that the submission is successful. After the submission is successful, you need to wait. It will prompt you to verify. Wait for the review of our backend. It is automatically reviewed. You may wait for 2 to 3 minutes. It will prompt that the review has been approved. Then you can proceed to the next step. Then we need to wait for a few minutes. Now it prompts this. Let's refresh it. Now it prompts verification. Verify here means the verification has been passed. You will be rewarded with 50 KEYDIY coins after the verification is passed. Now let's talk about these KEYDIY coins. If a customer asks today, how to obtain KEYDIY coins, ways to obtain KEYDIY coins. KEYDIY coins can only be obtained by generating KEYDIY new keys with our KEYDIY device. Then regarding the issue of wallet recharge. I'm currently using an Android phone. Android phones currently only support top-up via Google account. If you are using an iPhone, recharge is not supported for the time being. Then the other one is within my functions. Within my functions, when I am going to activate it, it will prompt me that I need 2,500 KEYDIY coins or $75 US. But you don't have any money. You don't have any KEYDIY coins either. Then you can ask someone else to help you activate the function. Then let's demonstrate it. How to help you activate the function. You can contact the dealer. Ask your local dealer to help you activate it. You can also contact a locksmith near you. Or you can ask friends you know, those who use our devices. He helps you activate it. Then how does he activate it? Let me explain to everyone. Then we use another mobile phone. We open. There is a function available after opening it. Click More. Click Activate License on behalf. Then it shows that I have over 10,000 KEYDIY coins here. Then I can select this one. I want to help others activate their accounts. This can be confirmed via the mobile phone number. Here you can check the mobile phone number. This is for the sake of account security. So it's hidden. Click My Functions. Then you can view the specific information here. For example, I need to enter this account now. Then the number is 15932047924. Then you can locate this account. That's correct. Click Sure. Then I will select the activation function for him. I can choose to only enable these two functions for him temporarily, MQB and BMW. For example, if I want to activate the MQB function for him, click Activate. Payments can only be made in 2 ways now. One is KEYDIY coins, one is US dollars. For example, we can activate it using KEYDIY coins. Then we can click here. It will prompt that the activation is successful. After successful activation, let's check if the activation was successful. Then your KEYDIY coins will be deducted. Once activated, it's all done. Another problem is, for example, you need to help this customer top up their KEYDIY coins. Transfer KEYDIY coins to him. Transfer KEYDIY coins to him via an account. Then we can click here. Click KEYDIY coins transfer. Enter his phone number as well. His phone number is right here, 1593-204-7924. For example, I transfer 100 to him. Click transfer. 100 KEYDIY coins deducted. Then he will receive 100 KEYDIY coins. If anyone encounters any other problems, feel free to leave a message for me in the comment section. I will solve this for you.